the tracks, loud and clear. A's for apple, juicy and red. B's for butterfly, flying ahead. Come aboard, don't be late. Let's ride the train, it's gonna be great. C, D, E, look outside. F, G, H, what a ride. I's for ice cream, yummy and sweet. J's for jumping right off your feet. K is for kite, soaring so high. L is for lion with a big roll, my. M, N, O, the train speeds on. P, Q, R, sing along. S, T, U, almost through. V, W, X, what's next? Y's for you, my friend, so bright. Z means the end, good night, good night. Abracadabra, make a sound. Phonics magic all around. A makes A, B goes ba, C says cow, let's have some fun. Wave your wand and sound it out. Magic phonics, shout it out. D, F, go clap, clap, clap. G, H, I, now tap, tap, tap. J says Jew, K goes coo. L is Lou, let's learn more stuff. M makes N goes O says ah, let's say it again. P, Q, R, twirl around. S, T, U, make a sound. Wiggle and dance. X, Y, Z, one last chance. Phonics magic in the air, learning letters everywhere. Little B is small and shy. Big A reaches for the sky. Little B is curled up tight. Big B stands up just right. Little letters, big ones too. Uppercase, lowercase, me and you. Sing them loud, sing them clear. Learning letters year by year. Little C is soft and round. Big C makes a big loud sound. Little just takes a peek. Big D stands tall and sleek. E and E, F and F, matching pairs, do your best. G and G, H and H, we are learning step by step. Little letters, big ones too, now I know them, how about you? Let's start from Z, let's count down, sing it loud, don't you frown. Z, Y, X, here we go, although you V, take it slow. Sing the alphabet in reverse, it's a challenge but not a curse. U, T, S, getting fun, R, Q, P, we're almost done. O, N, N, keep the beat. L, K, J, sounds so sweet. I, H, G, we're moving fast. F, E, D, almost last. C, B, A, we made it through. Now let's sing it fast. 1, 2, boo. Sing it forward, sing it back. Now you've learned a brand new track.